Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn pixel art for games. First, select a user-friendly pixel art program. Aseprite is a popular choice, or try a free online editor like PixelArt. Begin with a small canvas, perhaps 16 by 16 pixels, to focus on individual pixels. Familiarize yourself with fundamental concepts such as anti-aliasing, which smooths edges, and dithering, which creates new colors from existing ones. This foundational step is crucial for building good habits. Next, focus on core techniques. Limiting your color palette to around 4 to 8 colors helps maintain a consistent style and simplifies decision-making. Practice drawing basic shapes like circles, squares, and lines, placing each pixel intentionally. Pay close attention to avoiding jaggeds, which are uneven or stair-stepped lines, by carefully adjusting individual pixels. This precision is key to clean pixel art. Once you're comfortable with static images, explore animation. Start with simple two-frame animations, like a blinking eye or a walking character, to understand the principles of movement. Then, enhance your sprites with subtle details such as shadows, highlights, or textures to give them depth. Don't be afraid to experiment with slightly larger resolutions, like 32 by 32 pixels, as you gain confidence. Finally, consistent practice is paramount. Dedicate time each day to drawing new objects, characters, or environments to refine your skills. Analyze pixel art from classic video games to understand how masters achieved their effects. Engage with online communities and forums. Sharing your work and receiving constructive feedback from other artists is invaluable for growth. Remember, improvement comes with dedication and continuous effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.